When most people think solar panels, they think about their complete roof being covered in solar panels. Well, this would probably be a huge energy savings. It's very expensive. I'm looking forward to the day when they just replace roof tiles with solar panels, and maybe our roofs will look more like this one. But I believe this guy actually works for the solar panel company, and that's why he has solar panels all the way around his house. But also his roof is not tremendously big. So what are some other alternatives people could do when it comes to solar panels? Well, one thing that I would recommend is a solar attic fan. There's a solar attic fan right there in the middle. It's not very big, but I tell you, the roof traps a lot of heat. So if you can get that heat out, you get that moisture out, the humidity in the wintertime, this bad boy runs on solar, so it's always running. And then if you combine that with you can always start off with a smaller setup of solar panels. Now this setup is not designed to replace the power company, but offset the bill. So this customer never goes over into the more expensive part of their bill. But now a more elaborate design. Okay, so this house, all the solar panels are on the south side of the house. That's because the sun is, from the south. The sun doesn't go north of us. We're actually in Florida where this is being shot. And so you see the one side of the house, nothing, because there's no direct sunlight on the house. Now the prior house, there's sunlight on both sides because it's facing the south. But this house is facing, north, east, west. So it has one side that's facing to the south, and it has all its solar panels on it, and that is pretty much designed to completely replace their power. Now, on the other hand, this is a house that's facing the same direction as the first house with the attic fan. So see, they have a large network of solar panels on the south. Sun rises in the east, so on the east side, and sets in the west. So they have less on the west side because there's less sun. Also in Florida, we get afternoon showers. But that's kind of a rundown. If you'd like more information, please click the link below, and you can get a quote sent out to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.